Okay, so this is just me showing some of the stuff that I got to do my keychains for some of the resin jewelries that I will be making. This is my heat gun that I will not use because I'm very afraid to use it. But this is my first video, so everything's a little choppy, but I hope you guys enjoy. Leave comments and give me some feedback. Thanks. Also, apologies for my soft voice. I don't talk much. Yeah, so I'm gonna test out a few things. First, I'm gonna do these different ones, but I think I'm gonna do this first. I'm gonna put laminated photo, my cousin's. I'm gonna put it into here and see how that turns out. I saw somebody else do this, so I'm gonna try it out myself. First things first, we start with the pour. I'm gonna pour the resin in first. These cups have measurements on it. I'm only gonna do an ounce for each, and I'm wearing gloves because things can get a little messy. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by pouring into the mold first. Not too much, just enough to coat the bottom. Like that. Since this mold is small, I'm gonna do much. But then maybe I should get the air bubbles out first. I'm going to use a lighter. Diamonds. I'm gonna do those. See how these come out. These are all tests. I'm gonna do some from here, probably the blue piece and stuff like that. I'm gonna be using these different colors. It's 15 of them. And purple. Oh goodness. I'm back here. Yeah, just dropped something. Yes. So this is the puzzle piece one. That's the photo wood. It looks like mud at the bottom there. But I'll work on that. That's the diamonds. Okay, so these are finished products of a second resin attempt that I've tried. Second or third, can't keep track. So I'm gonna take them out and see how it came out. It's a mess. One, two. bye.